20 minutes. We have 20 minutes of video time remaining, so everybody's seen how my videos work. So, bonjour mes amis, ça va? J'espère que vous êtes bien. Hello my friends, how are you all? Well, I hope you're all right. So we're here over in Launceston, not Launceston in Tasmania in Australia, but Launceston here in southern England, probably about 62.6 miles away from Penzance. So I'll show you, I'll flip the screen so you can flip the screen. There's our present position now. And this is where we've got to go. So what are we bloody, zoom that in a bit. 62.66 miles. So that's 100.6 kilometres away if you want to split hairs. 100.6 k's away from where we are. But I wanted to pull this over. I mean, do you like my car, my dear? You reckon the lights light up like a Christmas tree? Well, they certainly fucking are now. Let's have a look. I mean, I've got this gamut of warning lights that have just decided to come up. So there's the tyre pressure monitoring lights come on, and there's auto hold and the traction control ABS lights come on. It's only in the last, what, bloody 3 or 4 minutes of driving. Yeah, nice. So I've decided to pull into the petrol station here, SO at Budgeons, and that just to see, we haven't had SO for ages in Australia. Long time since we've had SO. We used to have them as per Texaco, which we used to have here too. So I just wanted to find out what's going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start and restart the car. So let's have a look. I'll shut it down. Shut it down. Do it in action. I'm going to shut down. Okay. Indicators, wipers. Let's try again. Let's restart that. Disengage clutch. Disengage clutch in neutral. Restart. Press and release. Disengage the clutch. Engage the clutch. Now the engine started. No, it's still there. Let's see. And we might have to have a bit of a look outside, I reckon. Let's have a look. Watch the curb. I've parked really close to the curb and there's a little drop off at the end. Let's have a look. See how my lemon's turning out. See if it's going to be a sour one or if I can just clean the front camera. If not, I'm going to have to call roadside assistance, and you know what that means. It means I'm going to have to get another car. That's all right for the enthusiasts, like driving enthusiasts like myself. So this is, of course, there's a number plate over here, the license plate, number plate over here, the rego, and this is the front camera. My feeling is there might be a fault in here, or this needs a good bloody clean. So let's have a look, see if get anything at the petrol station. What do we got over here? No, it's just a bit of sand, a bit of grit, salty grit. No, that's not going to fix things. We don't know. Oh no, might have my old tissue. See if that works. I'll give it a bit of spit. See what's going on. That's the only thing we can really do is just clean the front camera, and aside from that there's only the cameras and the windscreen as such, which is commonplace to have your radar cruise control and those sorts of things, which is common on many cars these days. No, nothing around the engine. The engine's idling fine. It certainly does boggle. Stay solid, my dear. We'll have a look at that without falling down the mountain. There's no goats on this one. Let's have a look. No joy. Lights are still in situ. I have to shut it down again. So I'll shut it down again. Air conditioning, automatic climate control off, shut down. Means I'm going to have to get myself another car. What do you reckon? Love your life, the spice of life, variety? Oh yeah. Absolutely. Let's restart. Restart yet again. System check. Nope. Oh, well, you know what that means. Looks like we might have to part ways. Oh, I'll have to give roadside assistance a call and then take it from there. They may have to get me another car. Do stay tuned anyway in any event for future updates. So I might make a couple of phone calls. Might end up with another car. What do you reckon? Something like a Toyota Igo or something like that. I reckon a Toyota Aygo would be right, you know, with the 1 litre engine and that, top speed of 100, 103, 104 miles per hour, 166 to 168 k an hour top speed and that. Yeah, so we need to bloody find new ways of getting our luggage into that type of car though, using a blender to get our luggage in, and getting our luggage out with corn chips or jats or whatever. What do you reckon? So so anyways, we will keep you posted on that, and I'm going to have to make a couple of phone calls because this is a fault we can't fix at the roadside. The car's still drivable though, and the tyres don't look flat because the first light that came on was the tyre pressure monitoring sensor. So I'm going to have a look, make some phone calls, but like I said, but exciting times abound. So so do stay tuned. So from Muncenor, we'll let you know how we go. From Muncenor, for now, au revoir and bonjour. But I still like that Aygo.
You broke it.
Still topped out at 130 miles an hour, 209 k an hour last night. It was good. Very stable, very predictable, that speed. It did. Bloody hell. I don't want Kia to stand for the letters Kia. Let's flop the camera around on the steering wheel pad, on the steering wheel boss, where it says Kia. I don't want Kia to stand for killed in action. I don't want that to happen. I don't want that to be the case. But it might actually mean killed in action this time, judging by the warning lights lighting up like a Christmas tree. Never mind. Do stay tuned, and I'll talk to you soon. So for Muncenor, for now, au revoir, bonjour. Peace out. Love that Aygo. Laters.